Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Code with ER. In this video guys, we are going to learn something new, something different. In this video guys, we are going to learn something new, something different in react.js. Okay? Yes guys, you heard it right. Today in this video, in this session, we are going to learn something new, something different in react.js. And guys, today in this video, in this session, we are going to learn that how we can create an awesome dynamic and state of the art HTML native dialog box. Okay? Yes guys, you heard that right. Today in this video, in this session, we are going to learn that how we can create an awesome dynamic, cool and state of the art native HTML dialog box in react.js. Okay? So guys, just to give you the demo, I have already created an example. So let me go to the example now and let me just show you the example. Let me just explain all the feature, all the functionality of the example to you as well. Okay, so guys, this is the example I have built using purely react.js and native HTML dialog box. We are gonna learn that how we can create or how we can use native HTML dialog box in React. Okay, so here we can see the heading also, how to use native HTML dialog in React, no library needed. Okay, yes guys, you read that right. Okay, so here is the button to open the native dialog box. Okay, so it says open dialog box, so click it. You can see here this is HTML native dialog box, no JavaScript frameworks required, learn to use in React, and a button to close it. So we can dismiss this dialog box. We can close this dialog box by clicking this button, close dialog box. Okay, so hit it now, again open it, hit it now. Okay, so we are going to learn how to create HTML native dialog box and how to use in React as well in this video, in this session. Okay, so guys, now let's get started and let's learn. And before that, I would like to request you all, please subscribe to my YouTube channel Code with ER, and please press the bell icon also and like this video as well. Okay, which will give me the confidence, which will give me the motivation to create awesome videos like this for you on each and every small topic of video development, future development, and on service now as well. Okay, so guys, now let's get started and let's learn and let's create and let's use native HTML dialog in our React app, in our React application. Okay, so let me just go to the VS Code editor. So let me just create here a new file. I'm going to create here a new file as a HTML dialog box in react.js.jsx. Okay, so save in component folder, hit save. So let me just import here our React also, and I'm gonna import here the hooks also, use ref. Okay, so this is the use ref hook. Okay, we use this use ref hook, okay, to get the reference of any HTML tag in React. Okay, instead of using document.get element by ID, like in plain JavaScript, we don't use here document.get element by ID. Rather, we use here use ref to get the reference of any HTML element in our React. Okay, this is it. Okay, nothing more. Okay, so I'm gonna create here the CSS file also, although we don't need any CSS file, but I'm gonna style our native HTML pop-up a little bit, okay, to give it like cool look and modern look. Okay, so I'll say here HTML dialog css.css. Okay, so let me just create this file first very quickly. Create a new file, save this, inside the same component folders. Okay, so hit save. So this is it. Okay, and this is it. Okay, so I'm gonna create here one const. I'll say here HTML native dialog box, okay, equal to open and closing parenthesis equal to, I'm gonna use here fat arrow function, and I'll return all the things. So return, and I'll just create here one container div or the wrapper div, and I'll say here dialog box container. Okay, and just close this div, and I will just export it also. Export default HTML native dialog box, close this. So I'll just put here something for the testing purpose. I'll say here h2. So I will say here hello react.js developers. So this is it. Okay, as of now just save the file, come to the app.jsx file. Let me just comment this out first. Okay, so just go to the browser first, so we can't see anything. So let me just now import our this HTML dialog box in React. Okay, so what is the export HTML native dialog box? Okay, so I will just come here to the app.js, import, okay, HTML native dialog box. So copy it from here, and just below this, just paste it here, save the file, have a look in the browser. So we can see here hello react.js developers. Okay, so this is it. I'm gonna just finish this tutorial in 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, so guys, this is it. Okay, let me just create here a dialog like a tag. Okay, so guys, this is the dialog tag. Okay guys, this is the dialog tag. Okay, whenever we have to create HTML native dialog box or the modal box, we have to use this tag called dialog tag. Okay, it is like there since 2022, but no one is using it. But this is guys very useful and very helpful. Okay, we don't need any library, we don't have to write our, okay, like like so many JavaScript, okay, to create our custom components. Okay, no, we can use this dialog box, okay, to create our modern and awesome dialog box using the dialog tag only. Okay, and we can use it anywhere in JavaScript, in React, in Vue, in Angular, in any kind of HTML framework or JavaScript framework or React, or in anywhere guys, we can use it anywhere. Okay, anywhere means anywhere. Okay, we just have to put we just have to write some 3 to 4 lines of JavaScript, and this is done. Okay, your dialog box, your modal box is done. Okay, this is it. Okay, so guys, this is very important tag, dialog. Okay, so I'm gonna just give here one, like I'll just give here a ref. Okay, so I told you we can't use like id or document dot get element by id in React. No, no, for this, okay, we use here use ref, okay, like hook, okay, in our React. Okay, instead of document dot get element by id. Okay, so I'll just say here dialog box. Okay, this is it. Let me just first of all, I'll just say here const, I'll say here dialog, not dialog box equal to, I'll say here use, okay, I'll say here use ref. I have to write guys each and everything. Okay, as of now just give it null. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so guys, in this way, okay guys, in this way we have now referenced of this dialog box, okay, in React. Okay, but in JavaScript we would have used here, okay, document dot get element by id, and instead of ref we would have given here id, okay. But in JavaScript, in React, okay, it is totally different, okay. But although this is same, okay, but we don't use here id or like document dot get element by id. No, we use here ref, okay, to reference the any HTML tag in React, okay. This is it, okay. So guys, now let me just create here some content also, okay. So first of all, I'm gonna use here the h2 tag, okay, and I'll just give here the text also. This is, okay, HTML native, okay, native dialog. What is this, guys? Dialog box, okay. This is it. Let me just use here p element also. So I'll just give you a class, okay. I'll give you a font bit bold, okay, and I'll just use your text also. No JavaScript frame, okay, work required, okay. This is it. I'll just use here another tag, or I'll use here h4 tag only, okay. And I'll just give the class name also. I will say here display, I'll just say here display 5, okay. And I'll give you the text also, learn to use it in React apps, okay. This is it, okay. And I'm gonna give here one button also, okay, to close the modal, okay. This is it. So I'll say here btn, this is Bootstrap class, okay. Btn, I'll say here danger, okay. I'll say here close modal, or I will say here rather dialog box, okay. This is it. I'm gonna create here another button here to open this dialog box, okay. I hope you are getting me. I'll give you the class name also, deflex, and I'll just say here justify content center. Open this div, and inside this div I'm gonna create here another button to open the dialog box, okay. I will just give here the open dialog box, okay. And I will just give you the class name also, btn success, okay. This is it. As of now, just save the file, and we won't be able to see anything, okay. So let me just copy this and just paste it here, okay. So now we won't be able to see anything, okay. Only the button open the dialog box, but as of now dialog box will not be open, okay. We have to write, okay, only few lines of JavaScript, okay, or React code, okay, using this dialog box use ref, okay. So I'm gonna use, now I'm gonna write here, I'm gonna create here first function, so I'll say here const, and I'll just give here open dialog box equal to, I'll use here the fat arrow function, okay. And I will just check here first, okay, if this, okay, dialog box is defined or not, okay, if it is initialized or not, okay, if it is defined or not, okay, using its current value, okay. So guys, we have to use here dialog dot current, okay. Guys, whenever we will use anywhere use ref in our React application, in our React app, okay, we have to use here current, okay, current dot value to get the value, and dialog dot current, okay, to get, okay, to get this dialog box, okay. So we have to use here dialog dot current, okay, just to check if it is defined or not, if it is there or not, okay. If it is not not null, okay, if it is null, we will just check here and we won't do anything, okay, because it is not defined. So that's why we are gonna check here dialog dot current to check it if it is defined or not, okay. So if this is the case, I'll just say here this dialog box dot again current, okay, dot, I'll just say here show modal, okay. So guys, show modal is the JavaScript native method or function. Guys, always remember show modal is the JavaScript native method or function to open this dialog box. Okay, guys, always remember. Let me just repeat it one more time, guys. Okay, show modal is the native Java HTML or JavaScript, okay, method or function to open this dialog box. Okay, whenever we will use this dialog tag, we have to use here this show modal, okay, to show it, to open it. Okay, this is it. Okay, so now copy this method name or the function name open dialog box from here, and just I will say here on click, this is it, and just paste it here, save the file, have a look in the browser, and now just refresh the page one more time for our safety. Okay, now open the dialog box, click the button open dialog box, hit it now. See, boom, guys, we can see here this is HTML native dialog box, no JavaScript framework required, learn to use it in React apps. Okay, so as of now this button will not work, okay, because we have to define the method also, we have to define the function also. Okay, so I'm gonna do that now. Okay, so I'm gonna create here another method. I'll just say here const, I'll just say here close modal, or we can say dialog box. Okay, it is self-explanatory, and we don't have to explain much about this method because it is self-explanatory. Okay, so now here also I'm gonna check here with the current property, okay, of user ref. Okay, I'll say here dialog, okay, dialog box dot current. Okay, if it is again defined, then we will say here dialog box dot current, we will just use the method, predefined method called close. Okay, so guys, whenever we will use this show modal, we have to now we are supposed to show the modal, and if we want to close the modal, we have to use this, okay, native function for this dialog box called close. Okay, this is the method, okay, predefined method in JavaScript, okay, or in HTML, we can say, for this particular for this special dialog tag or the HTML tag. Okay, we can say this is it. Okay, so we have to remember this show modal to open the modal, to open the dialog box, close method to close the modal. Okay, so copy this method name from here, and on this button close dialog box, we will just say here on click. Okay, on click, and just paste it here, save the file, have a look in the browser now, and now close, now hit this button close dialog box. See, boom, guys, it's now gone. Open it again. See, close this, open this, and close this, open this and close this, and definitely, guys, we can style it, okay, as per our need, as per our requirements. Okay, so I'm gonna write here some custom css also, this is why we have created here this HTML dialog dot css dot css. Okay, so I'm gonna write here some css. Okay, so I'll just say here dialog, okay, using the tag only. I'll just give the padding, okay, of 20 px. I will just say here border radius, I will give here 10 px. I'll just say here box sizing, I'll give here border box. I'll just say here box shadow also, I'll give 0 5 px. Okay, and I'll just give here 10 px. I will use here the RGBA value or the method 0 0 0 comma 0 0.3. Okay, so this is it. Okay, as of now, just save the file, have a look in the browser, and now click the button open dialog box. See, this looks cool also, and this looks modern and okay, unique as well. Okay, it will give you the feel that we have used here any framework or any library to create this modal, but under the hood, okay, in the background, we are just using here a native HTML tag called dialog. Okay, this is it. Okay, so let me just say here I am gonna give here border also thin solid gains border. Okay, save the file, have a look in the browser. So now it is looking cool and modern, and it will give you the feel of that we have used here any library anything to create it. Okay, but under the hood we know what we have used. Okay, what we have done. Okay, we have just simply used here the HTML, okay, native dialog tag. Okay, this is it. Okay, So let me just, I will just say here dialog colon, okay, colon, I'll just say here backdrop also. So this is the property backdrop. Okay, we are gonna change the we are gonna change this, okay, like a layout, okay, or we can say here overlay. Okay, we are gonna change this overlay now. Okay, we can change anything, it's up to us only. I'll just say here red. Okay, so now close this, and now let me just refresh the page one more time. And now, okay, so okay, here we can see here there is L. Okay, why this is L here? So now see, background color is now red. Okay, close this, open this, close this, open this, close this. Okay, so let me just change here, give here some opacity also. Opacity I'll give you a 0.7. Okay, and now open it. So now this looks cool also. Okay, this looks cool. And I'll just give you the background color as a it's black. I'll give you. Okay, so now open it. This looks cool. Okay, so this is HTML native dialog box, no JavaScript required. Okay, or no JavaScript framework required. Learn to use it in our React app now. Okay, so close this. So guys, now I hope you know how to use our dialog, okay, native HTML tag in our React app, and how to open it in, and how to close it, and how to give it a modern and cool look as well. Okay, so see, okay, this looks cool. Okay guys, we can create anything. We can give here the input, okay, value also, input field we can create also. Guys, we can create anything. Okay, I'll just give here the type text. Okay, I'll just give here the class name form control. Okay, and I'll just give here the placeholder also. Please write something. So now open the dialog box. We can see here we got the input field also. So let me just give here margin a little bit from top. Okay, so let's just make it 3. Okay, so we can see here. Okay, so we can see, we can guys use anything. Okay, if we want, we can use here form also. We can use anything inside this dialog box. Okay, let me just show you the form as also. I My motto is to make you a great react.js developer. Okay, so this is it. Okay, and if we want, we can give you the value also. We can give here the value also. I'll say here name. Okay, and now we have to use here on change method as well. Okay, so now we have to use here on change method as well, but we have to create here now a couple of state variable. Okay, so I'll just create here a couple of state variable also. For you only guys, I am doing this. Okay, otherwise I would have just use a state, and as of now just give you nothing. So we have to import it here already, use a state. And I will just say here name, and I will just say here I will just say here set name state updater function as well. Okay, so I'll just say here event dot target dot value. Okay, not else, it's event. Okay, so now open this, and now we can write anything, but here we have to copy this set name, and we have to paste it here. And now open it, and now we can write anything. So on change event dot target, so give here e. Yeah, so now I was forgetting here to put e. Okay, event object. Okay, I was forgetting here to put e. Okay, so this is it. Let me just create here one button also for you. Okay, so I will just create here one button. I want to give here the complete insights. Okay, bt and bt, and I'll just say here default. Okay, I am, so say here show name. Okay, so we can what is the btn? Btn tefaul. Okay, make it secondary. Okay, yeah, so we can see here, let me just put here some space from top and from bottom as well. Okay, so now this looks cool. Okay, so let me just run here one method also. So I will just I'll say here on submit. Okay, on submit I'll just say here show alert. Okay, show alert. Okay, so copy this and const I will just say here uh, okay, so I will just alert the name, so I'll say here alert. Okay, so say here name, and let's check if this works or not. Okay, so we can see here this works. Okay, so uh, open this, I'll say here hello Prabhat Pandit. Okay, so show name, see hello Prabhat Pandit, click OK. Okay, so because our form is being refreshed, okay, so we have to give here the event object also. Okay, to this. Okay, show alert. Okay, so just to give here event object also, and I will say here event dot prevent. Okay, prevent default. Now close this, and okay, so now refresh the page, and now I'll say here hello developers, click show name button, click OK. So now we can see now our form is not being refreshed. Okay, so guys, we can guys do anything. Okay, inside this native or custom modal. Okay, like, and we have to only remember this is the dialog HTML tag. Okay, and we have to use this two method, show modal to show the modal and close modal to close the modal. Okay, so guys, this is all about it. Okay, in this session, in this video. Okay, and I hope you have learned something new, something awesome from this video, from this session. Okay, still have you still you have any doubt, any query regarding this video, regarding this session, then please guys, okay, like you can ask me in the comment section below. I'll try to read it. I'll try to give you the best possible solution, give you the best possible answer. Okay, so guys, this is it. Okay, so let me guys read it something for you. So please guys, okay, do subscribe now my this channel code with ER, and please press the bell icon also, and do like this video also, which will give me the confidence, which will give me the motivation to create awesome videos like this for you. Okay, so let me read something for you. I hope it will give you the confidence to subscribe my this channel code with ear. Okay, so hey everyone, I know I'm not here to create low grade, vulgar or obscene content just to get subscribers. If that were the case, I'm sure some of you would have subscribed by now, but that's not my goal. Okay, my aim is to give back something meaningful and valuable to society through education and knowledge. Okay, if you believe in the power of learning and want to be part of this journey, I would really appreciate it if you could hit that subscribe button for my YouTube channel code with ER. I'm here to teach you and empower you with skills that will last a lifetime. Okay, remember, there are countless channels out there offering cheap, dirty and harmful content to entertain you, but here it's all about growth, learning and becoming better versions of ourselves. Okay, so if you have learned something today or found this session helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel code with ER, and your support means the world to me. At the end of the day, it's all in your hands. Okay, take care, and I'll see you in the next session. We've got some amazing stuff lined up for you. ER Prabhat Pandit, that's me. Okay, I hope you will subscribe now my this channel code with ER, and you will press the bell icon also, and you will like this video also. Okay, so see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye guys, this is Prabhat Pandit signing off now.